After you've downloaded Capture, this screen is the first thing that appears. You can choose I'm a landscaper or I'm a property manager slash homeowner. As a client, you're going to want to select I'm a property manager or homeowner. Then you put in the property manager email that you first accepted the Capture invite email with. Once you do that, the one I accepted it with was aemartinez at callutheran.edu, which is present in the video right before this. You click done and click the checkmark box. And then once all you have to do now is just click OK and accept the device client registration email. It comes to the same email address as the one you accepted your Capture invite email with. So once you do that, all you have to do is click accept. It'll register that device as a client device, and then it'll bring you to a screen that says the device has been registered. Once it's been registered, you can exit out of the application and reopen it, and that's what I just did. And once I reopened it, it shows my name, Andrew Martinez Demo, and this is what the client page looks like for you inside the application. You have your property here, and then right down here you see add a property. If you want to add another property to the one you already have, or the multiple properties you already have assigned, you would click that button, let the map load. While it's loading, I'll go over everything that's here. If you want to go back to the home screen, you click the greenhouse button in the top left. If you want to change the address, you go to the magnifying glass where it says search location and then type in a new address, but by default it loads your Google Maps location. So if I click that and then let's see, I'll click cancel, and it shows it automatically loads in the address I'm at right now, and I'm at Cal Lutheran's library, so that's why this comes up. If I want to lock this address or the map itself, which is the size of the screen, you click the padlock in the top right. Right here you can put the property name and click done. And then you want to put in your email ID as a client. So mine is aemartinez at callutheran.edu. So I'll scroll down and click that, which for some reason didn't register, but we'll try it again. There we go, aemartinez at callutheran.edu. So now you see it autofills all the information. It shows I'm a client, it shows my number too. Once you've done that, all you have to do is click the green thumbs up, and it shows properties been saved, and you click OK. So now you have two properties, CLU and the library. In the top right is the bell icon with notifications. You see this is a property name, and here's another property name. It shows the status of work orders. These two are, there's one's pending and one is active. You can see what the difference between each is. If we open up the pending one and click the chat, we can see dialogue between the landscaper and the client. And this is obviously just a demo, but you can see what that would possibly look like. So we can go back if we want to go back that way. And then I'll just show you the basics. This is all just a basics video. So if we want to look into some of the capabilities that you have as a client, what you can do is select the property and go to create work order request right here. You click the green plus icon in the top right there, and you see it says touch anywhere on the map to create a work order request. So similar to the landscaper application, with the client application, you can create these reports, but you're only limited to work order requests. So this is an example of one. So let's say I went and clicked a tree on the map and said this tree is dying. So right there I'd put the tree is dying, and then I'll put in something else. Oh, it seems like an irrigation issue. Okay, so once you do that, click the blue send button, and it sends a message to whoever's assigned to that property as a landscaper, and sends a work order request message to yourself to let you know that it's been processed. So if you want to go back to the map, you can click this circle button in the top right. If you want to take a picture and include it in your work order request, you can click the camera button in the top left. Just because we're just breezing through this stuff, I'm not going to go over a lot of it. I'll spend another video to go over the entire work order section and the capabilities you have as a client. And if we want to go back to the map, like I said, you just click that button, and here we are back to the map. Okay, so I'll click the home screen, and now we're back at our two properties. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact us at support@capstra.com. Thanks again for watching this video.